What's going on, 2A crew? Just want to do a real quick video on how to how to reinsert your charging handle and bolt carrier group inside your upper receiver. A lot of people, ask me sometimes, problems and issues with it. So one thing I always tell people to do is when you're putting it on, have your upper upside down. And if you see here on the charging handle, it has like these little grooves. There's little grooves inside of here. And if you just put it in, you will feel the grooves. It'll drop right into place, okay? Just push it up just a little bit so it doesn't fall. All right? Now you got your bolt carrier group, and what you want to do with your bolt carrier group is the bolt part right here on the end. You want to pull that and make sure that's pulled all the way out. If it's in, it's not going to fit. If it's in like that, you're going to have issues. So make sure that bolt that's in, that's out. Make sure it's all the way out. All right. And all you're going to do is, with that charging handle upside down, going to fit it in first, and just slide it right inside, and everything will fit right inside. Pretty easy. All right. So just want to do that real quick. I had a couple people ask me about that, putting it back in. So that's real easy, how to put your bolt carrier group and your charging handle back in. Pretty easy. Yep, glad I can help. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Stay safe, shoot straight, keep training. All right, so here at Pinty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.